Thikũ ithatũ cia icera ria President Ruto Bururini wa South Korea, riu maciaro ma icera riri ni mambitie kuoneka, kuona riu President Niekiraniire Girimiti na Ruhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri sekta-ini ya njanjo kana niruo International Vaccine Institute Bururini ucio.
Very delighted this morning to join you as we celebrate Kenya's ascension to the membership of the International Vaccine Institute. This is an important milestone which demonstrates our dedication as a country to achieve health commodity security through sustained public-private partnerships and international collaboration to promote investment in research and development as well as the manufacturing of vaccines.
President akinyukitie Ikinya riri kumana na kire augete ni minyamariko iria bururi wagereire hindi ya king'uki ya COVID-19 hari gwetha njanjo ya murimu ucio.
We have an opportunity to reflect on the journey we have traveled and to remember where we started. I remember the last time we signed the papers in 2022 when I came here. I remember hosting Jerome in my office on a day like today, on a month like this month, last year. And I am truly delighted that the journey we agreed on today has come to fruition.
President ni atugeretie Ikinya ria unyitaniri wa African Union na mabũrũri mangĩ ariko agerithia Ruhonge rwa Urigitani gĩtaro-inĩ kia Africa.
And we are taking effective measures to prepare Kenya and Africa for future outbreaks, epidemics, pandemics, and other health emergencies by
Mutongoria wa Bururini acokeirie bururi wa Korea ngatho kumana na kiria manereire ni waki wa wabici cia uthondeki wa dawa cia njanjo ici guku muciĩ-inĩ munene wa Kenya Nairobi. Ruto augite undu uyu ni ugukuria ruhonge rwa urigitani guku bururi-ini na njira nene.
We cherish this partnership and embrace its ambitious goals. The establishment of the IVI Country and Project Office in Nairobi shows our commitment, ability, readiness, and willingness as a government to accelerate the progress of our universal health coverage agenda and to promote Africa's self-sufficiency in the most critical dimensions of healthcare.
Handũ-inĩ ha Mũthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjikũ wa Kĩhũba.